Hi, look for quick delicious dinners idea. Today I will show you how to make this easy 10 minutes bacon wrapped chicken with Philadelphia cream cheese and green pepper. Perfect for busy nights.
For this recipe, you will need chicken breasts, Philadelphia cream cheese, bacon, salt, pepper, or any of your favorite spices.
Season each piece of chicken with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Or you can use any your favorite seasoning.
Cut the chicken lengthwise. For extra flavor, you can marinate this chicken, but this recipe is delicious just as it is.
Place 3 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese on each piece of chicken, add some green peppers, and then wrap in bacon.
Wrap the bacon snugly to keep the cream cheese in place as it melts.
Now place the bacon wrapped chicken in the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes.
Cook for 10 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and the chicken is cooked through.
And here it is, quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. So creamy and flavorful. The Philadelphia cheese adds a smooth richnesses, and the bacon gives that perfect crispy touch. If you like this video, don't forget about like and subscribe on my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.